Is it safe to JTAG Xbox 360 without soldering, and will it void the warranty?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing an intriguing topic in the world of gaming console modifications, namely, JTAGing your Xbox 360 without soldering. We'll also explore whether this process can void your warranty. We'll cover everything you need to know, so you can make an informed decision. Remember, tampering with your Xbox 360 can have potential risks, and it's essential to understand these fully before proceeding.
What is JTAGing?
JTAG, which stands for Joint Test Action Group, is a method used to manipulate the hardware of your Xbox 360. With a JTAG modified console, you can run unsigned code, which opens the possibility for homebrew games, custom firmware, and other modifications that aren't typically allowed by Microsoft.
Can I JTAG Xbox 360 without soldering?
Yes, it is possible to JTAG an Xbox 360 without soldering, using certain techniques or kits available in the market. However, it's important to note that this can be complex, and if done incorrectly, it could potentially damage your console. The no soldering method usually involves the use of specific devices or connectors that allow communication between the JTAG points on the motherboard without needing to solder wires.
Will JTAGing my Xbox 360 void the warranty?
Unfortunately, the answer is yes. JTAGing your Xbox 360 will void the warranty. The process is seen as a form of tampering or modification of the hardware, which is typically against the terms of the warranty provided by Microsoft. This means that if something goes wrong with your console after JTAGing it, you're on your own when it comes to repairs or replacements.
Is it safe to JTAG Xbox 360 without soldering?
The term safe can be subjective depending on how it's viewed. In terms of physical safety, yes, it's generally safe if you have the right tools and follow the procedures correctly. But as far as your console's safety is concerned, there are risks. JTAGing your Xbox 360 without soldering can still potentially harm your console if done incorrectly. Moreover, doing a JTAG modification on your Xbox 360 may also make your console a target for permanent banning from Xbox Live by Microsoft, as it violates the terms of use. This is because JTAG enables running pirated games, which is illegal and against Microsoft's policies. In summary, while JTAGing an Xbox 360 without soldering is possible and can offer a lot of benefits, it's a process that comes with its own set of risks. Not only does it void your warranty, but it can also potentially damage your console or get it banned from Xbox Live. Before deciding to JTAG your Xbox 360, it's important to weigh these potential consequences against the benefits you hope to gain. Thank you for joining us in this discussion, and we hope that you found it informative. Until next time, happy gaming!